Good morning, children. Today we will discuss the topic photosynthesis, which is the food making process in the plants. We all know that leaves are green in color. Why the leaves are green in color? Because they have the green pigment chlorophyll in them. Now, chlorophyll plays a very important role in the process of photosynthesis. It helps in the absorption of sunlight. Sunlight is absorbed by the is captured sunlight is captured by the chlorophyll, and this energy of the sunlight is used by the plants in order to prepare the food. Apart from sunlight, plant also uses carbon dioxide and water. And when plants synthesize food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll, the process is called as photosynthesis. We all know that the raw materials required for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll. And what are the products of the photosynthesis? Products means जो चीज़ें बनती हैं इस process में. So what are the products? Carbohydrates and oxygen. We all know that plants gives out oxygen when they synthesize the food. Carbon dioxide is absorbed by the plants during photosynthesis and oxygen is released by the plants during the photosynthesis. Now we'll study the raw materials in detail. Now, first of all, I would like to discuss about the water and minerals. Water and minerals are one of the products used during the photosynthesis. From where do the plants get water? Plants get water, rather I can say that water is absorbed by the roots of the plant from the soil. हम भी पौधों को पानी देते हैं तो पानी कहाँ चला जाता है? वो सारा पानी जो प्लांट की रूट्स हैं वो एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती हैं और साथ साथ मिनरल्स को भी एब्जॉर्ब कर लेती हैं. नाउ दीज वाटर एंड मिनरल्स दीज आर ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट. अब ये पानी और ये मिनरल्स क्या होते हैं? प्लांट के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स में पहुंच जाते हैं. कैसे पहुंचते हैं? देयर इज़ अ नेटवर्क ऑफ ट्यूब्स का एक जाल होता है जिसके द्वारा वो पहुंचते हैं. एंड दीज ट्यूब्स आर कॉल्ड एज वेसल्स, है ना. थ्रू द वेसल्स, these vessels run out through the stem, through the root, branches and leaves, and this water and minerals, it travels through these roots from soil to the different parts of the plant. Now another raw material is carbon dioxide. Now where does carbon dioxide come from? It comes from the atmosphere. This carbon dioxide enters through the leaves. So from where do this carbon dioxide enters? There are tiny pores which are present at the base of the leaves, and these pores are called as stomata. Now stomata, what is their function? Their function is they helps the carbon dioxide to come inside the plant. They helps in the exchange of gases. Stomata are surrounded by special cells called as the guard cells. What is the function of these guard cells? These guard cells help the stomata to open and close accordingly. Now another raw material is sunlight. Sunlight is a universal source of energy, we know, and during photosynthesis the energy of the sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophyll in order to prepare the food. Now chlorophyll is a very essential component of photosynthesis. It is present in the leaves and is also known as the green pigment. And chlorophyll, the main function of the chlorophyll is it helps in capturing the solar energy. जो photosynthesis के लिए solar energy की ज़रूरत होती है वो सारी कौन एब्जॉर्ब करता है? क्लोरोफिल एब्जॉर्ब करता है इस एनर्जी को. तो ये सारे रॉ मटेरियल्स थे जिनकी हमें फोटोसिंथेसिस में ज़रूरत होती है. वन अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज since food is prepared in the leaves of the plant, leaves are also called as the kitchen of the plant or the food factory of the plant. Photosynthesis is a very unique process. It helps, it is a process that supplies the food directly or indirectly. We know that all the organisms are depend on the plants either directly or indirectly. The plants passes their energy to the different organism through a food chain directly or indirectly. So photosynthesis is a very unique process, isn't it? So that's all about the photosynthesis. And in the last photo, I would like to tell you about the products of the photosynthesis. When the process of photosynthesis takes place, the final product formed is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate means, we can say, carbohydrate is what? It is a glucose. Now all this glucose is used by the plants, but some of the glucose is not used. So such extra glucose is converted into starch, and it acts as a reserve food material. Carbohydrates, they contain different elements like carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Some of the carbohydrates are converted to proteins and fats also. And nitrogen is also present in the air, but plants cannot use this nitrogen directly. It is a very important thing. Nitrogen is cannot be used by the plants directly. It has to be first converted into soluble form, that is nitrate. Plants नाइट्रोजन का सीधा इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते एटमॉस्फेयर से, बल्कि पहले नाइट्रोजन किस में कन्वर्ट होती है? नाइट्रेट्स में कन्वर्ट होती है, फिर ये नाइट्रेट्स जो हैं उन प्लांट्स इनको एब्जॉर्ब कर सकते हैं. ठीक है ना? So that's all about the process of photosynthesis.